Welcome, welcome, welcome. You decided to come on the transformational journey and you have chosen me as your guide. I'm so excited. And I want to show you how I implemented a little bit of technology to make things easier so that we don't have to go back and forward asking questions, and hopefully everything is clear. So let me share the screen. So in pretty much any email that you get from me, you will see all these details. So the free discovery call, which you most probably already had, a 90-minute consultation is for everybody who has metabolic reset package or happy hormones package, because there is a comprehensive initial consultation. And then here we have like a follow-up sessions, which are part of the packages. And sometimes people can also purchase a follow-up separately. And you can see that the last link is free preview for the courses. And that's the link that you will be using for logging in and sharing with me the information. So you can click on the link and it takes you here, because I am already logged in, but I want to show you something. I will log out and you will see that I have many products. Yes, and participants of Happy Hormones, they have access to every single course that I have ever created and sold. It is possible to buy them separately, and it's usually for people who like to watch the courses and go on their own without my support. But my expertise is the most expensive in every package. And why I'm showing you this? If you have only, for example, one single session with me and you don't want to have any package, you would have to purchase the comprehensive initial analysis. However, because you are seeing this video, when you click on buy now, it probably means that I told you that you can use it as a part of the package. And in that case, you click on, do you have a coupon? And you put there this code, Blanka 2024. And you can see that when you apply it, you pay 0. And why we do this is because I want you to create your own profile in this Thinkific platform. Why? Because I have everything automated. So when you put here your name, email address, it's automatically going to create invoice for you that you need to pay. And it's automatically going to create a medical invoice for your insurance. So whatever information you are putting in here is going to show on every invoice, any document that I am going to prepare for you. So this is very important. So you complete the email address, your full name, surname, you agree with the terms and conditions, of course, read it. And then you complete the purchase. It's actually going to take you to another page and it will ask you your home address, Now you understand why I need it, okay? So when we get to this stage, then you will be able to go into your created profile. So you can see this is my profile. And you just create it for the comprehensive initial analysis, and then I know which package you have, if you have metabolic reset package or happy hormones package, and then I will give you access to all the other documents. I will do this, or Hannah, my administrative assistant, she might do it for you as well. If you click on my dashboard, you will see all the courses that belong to you. However, you are starting always with the comprehensive initial analysis. So when you click on Start Course, it's going to take you to this view, which introduces what is holistic therapy, 6 minutes, what is the validity of comprehensive initial analysis, how it works with the Swiss insurance company. Here is my certificate. This is the example of the invoice, how to complete the documents, how to name it, how to share it with me, the Google folder, or if you are anti-talent to technology, which sometimes happens, you can pay for the support of my virtual assistant, Hannah, and she will do everything for you. So you will be in touch with her by email, and she will upload everything, create folders, communicate with me, like do everything for you. So that is your choice. And here we have health questionnaires. So when you click on the health questionnaire, you will see this very, very, very important note. Read before you complete the health questionnaire. Why? Because here you have questionnaire in English, German, French, and actually I will upload even the Italian version. You must download the questionnaire to your PC before you start completing it, because this form, you cannot complete it in my system. You have to do it your own one, because this serves for everybody. They don't want to see your data in here, okay? Understood, because some people tried, failed. They were writing everything and then they said it did not save. It doesn't save in my course. You have to do it in your computer, okay? And then we have the blood test. So maybe you already have some blood test. Here you will watch the video how to prepare for the blood test, which blood test you need and why. And I also explain how I personalize the blood tests for you. You can see there's some like interesting interpretations. And I use, if you are in Basel, I use the GP in Basel. It's very good. If you are interested really in, if you have happy hormones and you came here because functional medicine is something that you love as much as I love it, you will see that functional medicine tests are the best: stool test, urinary test, DNA tests. And you can watch the short videos of my tests, what I learned and what can be beneficial for you as well. And if you live somewhere else in Europe, or you sometimes, go back home to, I don't know, France or Germany, and you want to see what is the price list in other countries, I also prepared for you the price lists. Of course, Switzerland is double price from European Union. So if you pay on your own, and if you, for example, live in Basel, then going to St. Louis, which is just across the border, is definitely beneficial. Yeah. So all this information you find here. And the last thing that I will need from you is a food and mood diary. So tracking what you eat. More pictures you give me, 50, 100, 200. I will really have a look at every single picture that you share with me. And also here you have a video of how to sign the digital contract, because if if you purchase a package, then you have a contract, and whatever I sign in the contract, I stick to it. For you, I can already tell you the main things that I expect you to do, and it's cancellation of sessions. So if you think that you would cancel the session 20 minutes before the session, you pay for it. Okay, it is not possible. There is a 48 hours cancellation time, because I don't find anybody prepared for you. No, it's just not possible for me. That is why I need the contract signed from you. But you will see there what everything I am signing that I will give you. Here you have links of how to book the consultations, but that's actually in every email you have the link, but you can download it and have it somewhere safe. And here are some bonus videos like Hero's Journey, which you will have to remind yourself when you feel like, I can't do it, I am so busy, reminding yourself, why do you want to do the changes that you want? So this is kind of like a very motivation. And so this is in a comprehensive initial analysis. And if we go back, and you would, for example, want to learn more about Eat Clean, Get Lean. This is not only about being lean, like slim, as sometimes people believe, but it's mostly about the basic fundamentals that you need to know. Blood glucose levels, which lead to inflammation, which leads to every chronic disease, misfiring hormones and how to get them under control. Here we talk about the 55 hormones so that you understand it, beat the bloat and constipation, and also how to detoxify the life. So this is really fundamental. Now I would want you to watch it. It's not super long. You can see that there are some videos like 3 minutes, 18 minutes, 27 minutes. You can even listen to it. And this is inspiration then coming to either group calls if you have happy hormones, or to our private sessions, because you will learn everything in here and it will resonate with you, and you might have questions, and more questions you have for me, more we can make out of every single session. So go through preferably everything that you have access to and ask me if you have any questions.